All right, Malik.
Let's welcome the competitors from
In the first round, Malik, you went out very hard, and persons were saying that that run might have been too much in that first round. What was going through your mind?
No, that run was just a wake up to see what I could actually do. So I wasn't going hard actually, but I know that I had to go out there and get myself ready for the next round. So that was the preparation I had.
What was it, the fact that you were only going to be doing 2 rounds, or that you wanted to test yourself enough to see that where you come into, because you didn't do 3 rounds?
I guess it was just a test because it was 2 rounds, so I was getting my body like I did 2 rounds.
Executing that race, did you follow all the instructions given by your coach?
I can't say honestly, I was just running. I was just running, honestly.
So you're now in the 47 bracket. How do you feel about such a feat when it comes on to Jamaican?
It's a good feeling, honestly. I can't enjoy it now because I'm tired. And when I really sit down and realize what I did, I think I enjoy it.
All right, all the best going forward in the season.
Thank you.
In 9th position, make that 7th position, Nastasia Burrell, Heidel, 11.88 meters.
4-2, a personal best.
6th at the moment, Gianna Clayton, Excelsior, 12.01 meters.
Hard work and focus. And
5th, also from Excelsior, Kalila Bailey, 12.39 meters.
I just executed a race as best as I could.
Help me welcome also from Excelsior in 4th place.
Clark
with the distance measuring 12.76 meters.
You see at 200 meters,
Anthony
not
James.
to lead in the race, but what was your strategy? Was that your strategy to run them down?
3rd at the moment.
I was just focusing on
representing
power chain,
reckless
every
control.
hurdle. As it come, I really also really watching
Pushing the implement the
So I was
distance of
just running my race.
12.78 meters.
Tell me about the
Victoria
time.
Christie.
Are you excited about time? Are you surprised?
It's more
Malik
exciting
Lampard
than
of Clarendon College.
What can we expect from you?
2nd at the moment,
I'm not
13.16
sure,
meters.
but I'll just be going back into training and get down to the January and then we see what can happen.
The last time we saw you run this race, you were
And leading after 3 rounds, ladies and gentlemen, with a 14.19 meters, representing St. Diego, Kimika Smith.
Well, it was a lot of mind training
3 more rounds to
and
go.
body training and learning your body
decide
more,
the top 3.
what to do in training, what not to do, how to eat, how not to eat.
Zayn Palomino on the runway in the men's high jump.
mental
His 3rd and final attempt at 2.15 meters.
So I was just
And he
stay focused and
requires
just
your assistance.
do what I know I can do.
congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congrats, Malik.